How to clear RAM cache in Windows? For this first step, free up storage space. Lower storage can affect performance. Click settings, click system settings, click storage settings. Wait for Windows to analyze your storage. Select temporary files. Check the files. Remove the file. Check it completely and click remove files. Click continue. Once completely remove after, close it and come to next step. Run storage sense. Storage sense automatically removes unnecessary files. So you need to click settings, click storage. You have seen the storage sense is there. Need to enable it. Close it and come to next step. Update drivers. For this you need to search for device manager. Click it. Click display adapters and update the drivers. You can update the driver by using this method or else go to the official website of the drivers. Here you can check it and go to the official website, download and install the latest version. After come to next step, click settings, click Windows Update and make your Windows up to date. Click check for update and make your Windows up to date. After next step, search for advanced system settings, click it. Under advanced you have seen the performance tab, click it and click adjust the best performance, enable it, click apply and OK. After one more time click advanced system settings, click advanced. Under performance you have seen settings, click it and click advanced one more time. Click virtual memory, click changes and enable automatic manage paging file size. Click OK. After OK, click apply and OK and restart your device. Once to restart complete after, come to next step, click this PC, right click C drive, click properties, click tools and scan the drive. Wait for some times. Once complete after, close it and restart your device. Thank you.